Welcome to ShipSaving. Today, we'll show you how to use the Combine Order feature. Please note, only orders with the same recipient and from the same store can be combined. From your dashboard, go to Orders, then click Combine Order at the top right. The system will automatically search for orders that can be combined. Select the ones you need, then click Combine or Combine All. Once combined, a new order is generated. Simply click Get Rates to buy a label. After purchase, combined orders will share one tracking number, which will be synced to all original orders on the third-party platform. With Combine Order, you can merge multiple orders into one shipment. Save money and ship smarter.